Nice. I'm having a pretty special day today, taking apart one of my very favorite cars, 70 Barracuda 446 pack. Slipknot is a rock group, I think. I have never heard their music, honestly.
What kind of music do you like to do?
Boy. 70s, 80s rock and roll. Eli, I think, was over my shoulder all the time. Anytime I was taking anything apart, working on it, he was right there with me. And he's a natural. Great mechanic. Showed up the old man, didn't you, Eli?
Huh?
Nothing. See if we can't rock our wipers off here. Just kind of pull up on them, rock them back and forth a little bit.
Is that a strongman job, Doug?
Takes a little bit of technique. Barracuda wipers have an unusual second arm that gives them their transition across the windshield. So, yeah, almost like a peace sign, huh? Some of the shiny little screws holding the wiper arms in.
That's not factory correct?
No, sir. They're pretty, though. I like them.
Oh, yeah, yeah. All right. Very nice.
Look how nice the padding is in the back of this thing. This has been restored. This stuff is just like new. Yeah, I think it's been restored once. Barracuda trunk lock assembly. All in one piece. Yeah. Okay, so this car has obviously been restored one time. And since it hasn't been that many years since it was done, it's a lot easier to work on something like this because everything is still pretty fresh compared to most of the original cars that we work on, which have been sitting for, I lost track how many years. Those are hard to work on. Everything's rusted really bad. And this stuff's pretty fresh. So this is kind of nice.
That's different on the tail light. Okay.
Finally. Screws.
So much trouble.
Oh, the fasteners were all different sizes. Custom again. Here we go.